Hello everybody, hope you all are fine and leading a healthy life. Today's video is about sounds of letter A. So as I told you in my previous video that one letter can have more than one sounds. So we begin our sounds with letter A. Here are the symbols. These symbols are from the IPA symbols and they represent different sounds of letter A. So this very symbol has a sound A. Let's pronounce these words with me so that you know the sound A where comes in these words. Natural, natural, A, natural. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Anniversary, anniversary. Second sound is A. A. It's a blend. It's a diphthong. Like A. Okay? Now, let's pronounce these words. Nature. Now, if you see that these are the two words which are quite similar to each other, you can't say that it's nature. Like in this, natural. This is nature. Here you have a sound A. And here you have a sound A. Nature. April. Favorite. Favorite. So if you pronounce favorite, that's wrong. Do correct it right now. Favorite. Third sound is Ah. Ah. You have to open your mouth widely. Ah. Masterpiece. Masterpiece. And in British English you say masterpiece, and in American you say masterpiece. So here A sound is there. Second word is sabotage. Sabotage. Now the meaning of the word sabotage is destruction. Here this letter A has a sound A, sa, and here this letter A has a sound ah. Sabotage. Sabotage. Fourth sound is a short sound, a very short sound. Above, above. Allowance, allowance. American, American. So usually this sound comes at the beginning and sometimes at the end of the word. Now fifth sound is O, O, O. Awkward, awkward. Now in this word you see the first letter A has the sound O, and this word letter A has sound E. Awkward, awkward. All, always, always. Now here is the sound O and here is A. Always. Now please repeat these words and use the correct pronunciation of these words and comment in my comment section about how do you like the video. Thank you.